Hello friends, welcome to Global Online University. I am Bahubali Desai. In this video, I am going to discuss 20 important questions on communication. Friends, as you all know, we have already started providing mock test results for UGC NET and also for KSET examination. And this is our schedule for UGC NET examination. And also we have provided various mock test results, and also we provided full mock test results also. And still we will provide some mock test results, and I hope you all have enrolled for these mock test results. And also friends, one more thing, you all know the KSET examination will be held on 21st June 2020. For that also we have already started providing mock test results in Kannada, and we have already provided one mock test series on teaching aptitude in English and Kannada language for KSET examination, and today our second mock test series is coming on research aptitude for KSET examination in English and Kannada. And friends, for a KSET examination the mock test series will be in English and also in Kannada, and the schedule is already given here. You can see the schedule. Then friends, to enroll for KSET examination mock test series, just visit our website and you will get all the details. You have to pay 299 rupees to get KSET examination mock test series. Friends, I hope all these mock test series will boost your preparation and also help in bringing 15 to 20 more marks in paper 1 examination. So let us start our today's questions. Go to the questions. Here the question is, which satellite channel uses ad line knowing is everything? Option A BBC World, option B Star, option C Sony, option D G. Friends, which satellite channel will we use this knowing is everything? It is used by BBC World. So option A is the right answer. Very easy level of question. I hope you knew this. Now let us go to the next question. The function of mass communication of supplying information regarding to the processes, issues, events and societal developments is known as option A content supply, option B surveillance, option C gratification, option D correlation. Friends, here the correct answer for this question is option A content supply. The function of mass communication of supplying information related to the process, issues, events is known as the content supply. Please remember this. This question may repeat also. The function of mass communication of supplying information regarding the processes, issues, events is known as the content supply. Now, the next question is, networked media exist in interconnected, option A social environment, option B economic environment, option C political environment, option D technological environment. Friends, here the correct answer is option D technological environment. And external factors in technology that impact business operations. Changes in technology affect how a company will do a business. A business may have to dramatically change their operating strategy as a result of changes in the technological environment. Let us go to the next question. The combination of computing, telecommunications and media in a digital atmosphere is referred to as option A online communication, option B integrated media, option C digital combine, option D convergence. Friends, here the answer is option D convergence. I hope you knew this. And technological convergence, it is the tendency that as technology changes, different technological systems sometimes evolve toward performing similar tasks. And digital convergence refers to the convergence of four industries: information technologies, telecommunications, consumer electronics and entertainment, which stands for ITTCE. Information technologies, telecommunication, consumer electronics and entertainment. A dialogue between a human being and a computer program that occurs simultaneously in various forms is described as. Option A, man machine speak. Option B, binary chat. Option C, digital talk. Option D, interactivity. Friends, here the right answer is option D, interactivity. When a dialogue will happen between the human beings and computer, it is known as the interactivity. For example, playing games in the computer. Friends, in computer, interactivity is the dialogue that occurs between person and computer program. For examples, games. Let us go to the next question. Which is the 24 hours English business news channel in India? Option A, G News. Option B, NDTV 24 into 7. Option C, CNBC. Option D, India News. Friends, the right answer is option C, CNBC. Friends, CNBC Awaaz is a Hindi business news TV channel in India. The channel is a joint venture between CNBC and Television 18 India Limited, based in New Delhi. In 2003, they launched 24-hour news channel NDTV 24 into 7 in English and NDTV India in Hindi. Later, they also launched NDTV Profit, a 24-hour business news channel. Remember this, in 2005. Now the next question is, the power of knowledge is the punchline used by. Option A, Times of India. Option B, The Economic Times. Option C, Indian Express. Option D, Hindustan Times. Friends, I hope you all knew this question. The answer for this is, the power of knowledge is the punchline used by The Economic Times. Now let us see the next question. Adjusting the photo for publication by cutting is technically known as. Option A, photo cutting. Option B, photo bleeding. Option C, photo cropping. Option D, photo adjustment. Friends, a very easy level of question, but some confusion is there. Let us understand the question once again. Adjusting the photo for publication by cutting it. Technically, it is known as the photo cropping. You may experience it. It is known as the photo cropping. Option C is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. Here is some more information related to photo cropping. It refers to the removal of outer parts of an image to improve framing and to change the aspect ratio. You know about this photo cropping. So let us go to the next question. The aspect ratio of TV screen is. Option A, 4:3. Option B, 4:2. Option C, 3:5. Option D, 2:3. Friends, the correct answer is option A. The aspect ratio of TV is, standard TV screen is 4:3. And the standard TV that's been around since mid 50s, and the standard TV aspect ratio is 4:3. 4:3 means the picture is 4 units wide for every 3 units of height, and the HD TV aspect ratio is 16:9. Let us see the next question. National Press Day celebrated on. Option A, 16th November. Option B, 19th November. Option C, 21st November. Option D, 30th November. Friends, National Press Day is celebrated on 16th November. So option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is, which broadcasting system for TV is followed in India? Option A, NTSC. Option B, PAL. Option C, SECAM. Option D, NTCS. Friends, in India we are using PAL broadcasting system. So option B, PAL is the right answer. And friends, PAL stands for phase alternating line. It is a color encoding system for analog television used by broadcast television system in most countries broadcasting at 625 line by 50 field or 25 frame per second. Let us see the next question. the biggest news agency of India is? Option A PTI, option B UNI, option C NAP, option D Samachar Bharati. Friends, the correct answer is option A PTI, which stands for Press Trust of India. And Press Trust of India, PTI, is the largest news agency in India. Its headquarters is located in New Delhi. Please remember its headquarters. It is in New Delhi, and it is a non-profit cooperative among 500 Indian newspapers. And PTI provides news coverage and information of the region in both English and Hindi. And its corporate office is located in New Delhi and registered office is located in Mumbai. Please remember this. A question may arise from here. Now let us see the next question. Prasar Bharati was launched in the year? Option A 1995, option B 1997, option C 1999, option D 2001. Friends, as you all know, Prasar Bharati was launched in the year of 1997. Prasar Bharati, it is India's largest public broadcasting agency. Please remember this. It is an autonomous body established under the Prasar Bharati Act and came into existence on 23/11/1997. Now the next question is, Orkut is a part of? Option A intrapersonal communication, option B mass communication, option C group communication, option D interpersonal communication. Friends, Orkut is a part of? Yes, option D interpersonal communication. And Orkut was a social networking website owned and operated by Google. The service was designed to help users meet new and old friends. I think you all know about the Orkut. So let us go to the next question. Match the list 1 with the list 2. List 1 is showing us artists' names and list 2 is showing us art. In list 1, option A Amrita Shergill, option B T Swaminathan Pillai, option C Bhimsen Joshi, option D Padma Subramaniam. And in art, flute, classical song, painting and Bharatanatyam. Correct answer is option A. Friends, Amrita Shergill is for painting and T Swaminathan Pillai is flute. Then Bhimsen Joshi is for classical song and Padma Subramaniam is for Bharatanatyam. Friends, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful to you, can share to your friends and also visit our Global Online University website for mock test series. And also from 21st June we are going to start mock test series in Kannada also.